Episode of the Sefticum Sense and Dekla will begin to change from a white girl into a woman. Demand answered the truth about her sister will give her pain but will also give her the direction. For the first time she will understand that her past will not to only tragic. It was a control. Someone decide what she could not, what she to believe and how much pain she should carry. Now Dekla will refuse to live under the control. Erkan will try to stay close but Dekla may push him away. She will not to hate him but that make everything more painful. Hate too will easier but love mixed with betrayal is harder to survive. Erkan will see the Dekla still carry but she cannot to trust it the way she did not to before. She will have to choose between protecting his family's secret and standing beside the woman he loves. Kadir will become to a symbol of truth for Dekla but even this truth will create a confusion. Dekla may feel thank you to him. She will also be a carefully everything after she has to experienced. She will not to give her trust easily to anyone. Kadir may want to her spot but Dekla will make to her clear that she is not too weak. She does not need to someone to save her. She need to people to stop lying to her. If Aldur mentioned Hamadi death will create atmosphere but sadness will not to only feeling fear will rest to because death often being only secret to closer to surface. He said next step may create a new crisis. Incy mistake may return to punish her in a way she survived to never accepted. Farman will become to more restless. The possibility that Daria is Ali will threaten him and he will blame Sivan for hiding it. Sivan may to protect Nilufar but Farman plan will bring to a danger of them. Their love will be faced to pressure from outside but also fear inside if they do not to trust each other completely. Farman's success in breaking point them apart. Farid Janre will become to a closer to the truth about who she really is. Every step she take will make the past feel more alive. The next episode will be emotional, intense and full of confrontation. Dekla will no longer to ask permission to know the truth. She will take